Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Today we will start our last chapter of final syllabus, that is light. In this presentation I will give you explanation from book page number 122 till 126, and after the explanation I will give you the written work which you will have to do in your journals. Let's start the topic. Light is a form of electromagnetic radiations. The word light usually refers to visible light which can only be seen by the human eye. On Earth, the sun is our main source of light. Luminous objects give out their own light. Matches, candles, and fires emit light due to chemical reactions. Non-luminous objects do not emit light. We see them when they reflect light from a luminous source into our eyes. Rays of light pass or transmitted through transparent materials such as glass. Opaque materials like wood and metal absorb light and do not let it through. When an opaque object is placed in a beam of light, a shadow is formed. There are other materials, however, such as greaseproof paper and frosted glass, which let some but not all lights through. These are called translucent materials. Well, light traveling in air is reflected when it meets a different material. When rays of light strike a flat or plane surface like a mirror, they all are reflected in the same direction. Rough surfaces reflect light at all angles in an irregular or diffused way. Law of reflection. The angle at which the incoming or incident light ray strikes the mirror is the same as the angle of the reflected light ray. The angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Images in mirrors. When light rays from an object strike a plane mirror, an image can be seen in the mirror. The image appears to be the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front. This is a virtual image because no rays of light actually pass through the mirror. The image in the mirror is laterally inverted. Refraction of light. If a ray of light meets a new material at an angle, it bends. This bending is called refraction. The ray of light entering the new material is called the incident ray, and the bent ray of light is called the refracted ray. The diagram shows the light entering a glass block bends towards the normal. As it leaves the glass, it speeds up again and so bends away from the normal. Refraction in lenses. Lenses bend light and form images. There are two basic shapes of lenses. Concave lenses are thin in the middle and thick round the edge. They are used in glasses to correct short-sightedness and in door security peepholes. Convex lenses are thickest in the middle and thin around the edge. They are used in cameras and telescopes. Now you have to do the written work. There are 5 questions, short question answers in all. You have to do it in your journals. This is question number 3, 4 and 5. Thank you.